Hello ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel Adoroboye. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your own WhatsApp sticker, including your text. It's very beautiful. You know, sometimes you see yourself chatting and you want to send your own customized stickers with your own image. So let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you the step by step, the most easiest way of doing it. Now, the first step I'm going to go to is to go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store. Then you are going to download an application. Okay, let's see, this is opening. That application, just come up to the search icon here and search for, just press sticker. Yes, sticker maker. Any, just have a sticker maker for WhatsApp. So just search for sticker maker, sticker maker for WhatsApp. You see quite a number. They're going to use this one, sticker maker for WhatsApp. So that we are going to do this one. Then you're going to install it. Now I've already installed it. Yeah, I've already installed it, so I'm just going to press open. Now, there's another way you can actually do that. There's another application that you should need, though it's optional, but I would advise you to have it so you can have a very clean, because every of your sticker must be in PNG. At least it must be transparent background. So you can just, after downloaded this one, then you can also search for another background remover known as remove. Yeah, remove.bg. So just search for remove.bg. This is the one, remove.bg. This is going to be able to remove the background of your image automatically. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm just going to go back here to the application sticker maker here. Then, so I'm now in the application. You can press on this plus. When you click on this plus, you are going to enable you to create a pack, just like a pack. So it's going to enable you to create a new type of sticker. You get that? Now this image here, this image icon down here that there is plus, click on that. When you click on that, it's going to take you to your image. Now you can go to select your image. You can either select image or you can use your camera. So I'm going to select image. So when you click on select your image, you're going to go to your gallery, of course. Okay, so let's see, just pick one image here. Let me just pick this image. I'm going to pick this image. This is my image. So when I pick this image, I can decide to crop it. So I can decide to use the round crop and I can extend it up. Sorry, just press back. That's a mistake then. So let me do that again. So I will select image. Okay. Alright, so we're going to select the image again. So I'm just going to show only my head. Of course, I can just click if I want to play like love or anything, not stuff like that. So I'm going to use this square, then click on crop. So it's going to show only that part. So I just want only this part to show in the sticker. Now, when you click on automatically, it's going to remove the background for you automatically. For example, when I click on automatically, the background of this image is going to be removed. As you can see, it has been removed automatically. But if you want a clearer one, you can use the remove.png. Alright, so now the background has been removed. So I'm just going to click on next here. As you can see, this is an image. So you can decide to put like a stroke, but I don't like the outline, so I like it the way it is like that. I'm going to click on save. So it's going to load here. So I can decide to extend it or decrease it as I want. So I'm just going to leave it like this. Then here I can give it a beer, you know. Down the icon you see some options. So I can just come to art. If I want to give it art, let's say for example give it this art, click on this art. I can just put the art on it, on the edge like that. Then I can just adjust it. So if you want this one to go down, look at this. Under this new sticker, you see like an icon. They click on it. So when you click on the icon, this one is going to, as in the present one is going to go down. So just adjust it. You can adjust it. Okay, bring it a little bit down. Alright, then that being done, I want to put a text. So you're going to click on the text icon. So I'm just going to type welcome here. Alright, welcome. So when I type on welcome, I can actually change the font, and this one is to change the size. Then this is for to make it thicker or lighter, you know. So I'm going to pick one of these. Okay, let me just use this one. So I'm going to increase the size a little bit. Welcome. Click on the plus sign there, and then bring this one down a little bit here. Alright, of course you can change the color if you want to change the color. Like for example, I want to change the color of this one. Maybe I don't want to use white, I want to use red. I'm going to cancel this. So when you click on this minus sign there, after the icon is going to cancel. So when you click on the sign back here, the text sign is going to come back to this place. Then click on plus. Then just click on this A here. From here you can actually change the color. I'll change it to red. Alright, then I'll click on OK. So I prefer the red. That being done, click on save. So you can give it a name like the pack name. So just give the pack name of sample. Let's just call it sample. Yeah. Click on OK. So then save. It is saving. As you can see, it's actually want it to run. As you can see, it has been saved automatically. Alright, it has been saved automatically. Then you can just click on add to WhatsApp. So when you click on add to WhatsApp, it's going to be open. It's going to open straight to your WhatsApp account. So it's going to tell you that it has been added. We like to add sample to your WhatsApp business. We're going to click on add. So that is how you're going to do that. So if you want to create, anyone want to create again, just follow the same procedure and create and create and create. I'm just going to open my WhatsApp here. Alright, then I'm going to use one of just going to send it over to one of my friends there. Yeah, he's one of my best friends actually. So click on this icon, then come to the sticker here. Alright, then this is the pack here. Alright, then this is the pack here. Look at it here. So welcome. Just click on that and it's going to show like that. Alright, so there's a little bit of cutting here. So let me just go back to let me go back here and just create one more. Alright, just go to press back and click on this plus sign. So it is necessary that you make it to be quite neat. So I'm just going to do it again. So this time I want to put something else and make it quite neat and better. Alright, so I'm going to select another image here. So let me select the image I selected before. I'm going to select this image. Okay, so you follow the same process. Okay, I'm going to make this rectangle. Or go to curve it, click on curve up there. So it's going to curve. There, the next place I'm going to remove the background automatically. I can actually use the remove.png, the second application we downloaded the other time. So I'm going to click on automatically, so the background is going to go off automatically like this. Then click on next. So I have it like this. So click on save. Alright. So I have it this way. So I'm just going to put something else like, okay, then let's see, let me just adjust it like this, then give it a test. Click on this test icon, then instead of welcome I'm going to change it to like I love you. Yeah, I love you is good. I love you. Click OK. Then you can change it. Let me change the font. Look for a better font. Let me use this font, just increase it a little bit, give it a color. You can use any color. You can have to use blue this time around. Then OK it. Then put the blue probably up here. Let me put it. Okay, let me put it down. I think it's okay. This place. You can also put it as you want it to be. Then click on save. Click on save. Automatically it gets saved. As you can see, it has been saved here automatically. You can also click on add to WhatsApp here. So you can create more and more, and it makes your chatting to become more fun. So this is one of the way you can actually do a customized sticker. So I'm just going to send it to my friend here too. Okay, then so it should be added here automatically. So if it's not added here automatically, you can just click on this add plus, this add icon here, then come to my sticker. It's going to show here. Let's see this. As you can see, it has shown here. So when you click on it here, it's going to give you like details. You can just press back. By now it should be able to have shown. Let's see. Okay, it's not showing. So it's going to show. Just have to wait for it. Let's see. Okay, let me press back. Just like kind of way of making things. Okay, let me send it back to my friend here. Okay, alright, here we are now. Is it here? Okay, yeah, this is it. Good. So that's how to create a sticker, and it makes your chatting become more fun and more enjoyable. So please, if you like this video, kindly subscribe and share with your friend and like. Please subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.